Hi guys, it's Emily Elizabeth and I'm here today in my bathroom with my awesome curtain. I'm going to be doing my hair today, and I do my hair probably once a month on average, not including bleaching. Bleaching's like every 3 months. Green, blue, purple, tricolor, unicorn style hair. So right now it is this nice pink. As you can see, this is how I dye my hair myself. Mirror in front of me that I can move. Something fell. Mirror in front of me that I can move. Mirrors behind me that I can adjust so I can see all corners of my... So I have all my colors mixed. I have green. This is called Alpine Green. It's punky color. My signature green for like 2 years. Then I have this cool toned green. Now, you guys know I'm a painter, and a big part of my practice is color. So I can easily tell the difference between a cool toned green, blue or a warm blue. And then I have the pink. This is a cool toned pink. It's more on the purple side, and I add that to the end, the bottoms here. So the great thing about this hair color scheme is that it's an analogous color scheme. So each color feeds into the other. So when you wash it, yeah, some of the green might come into this pink, but because they're both cool tone, it's actually going to turn it more purple. So that's how you get this kind of magical fourth purple color in just 3 colors. I've been calling it galaxy hair for a while now, and I really like it. I also cut my hair recently, so if it's not, probably not the best. So first I'm going to section off my hair. So I'm trying to grab all the
there's no God, only what you have to offer. All these days that disappear, slip through your fingers like sentimental pictures.
Right, so
Be a slave to your emotions. So emotional. I used to be a slave to your emotions. So emotional.
these are gloves I got from Home Depot in the painting department. Although stealing from your doctor's office, well, I shouldn't recommend that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Maybe ask. Ask your doctors nicely if you can have some gloves for hair dyeing. Otherwise, Home Depot. These are also great for the COVID. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hair now. Took you over to my kitchen sink because washing your hair is an important part of this. How to wash your hair when you have 3 colors. So you want to rinse out each color separately and then do one final wash with shampoo. I think I'm going to go to my shower and wash the whole thing again. Or at least put conditioner on and brush it and blow dry it. So I will be right back. Okay, so here is the final result. You can see the green's a bit pastel because I didn't leave it on as long as the pink. So didn't leave it on long because I'm trying to film this video in one shot. But you can see all the colors. Beautiful, magic, rainbow, unicorn, galaxy, hair. It's also not perfect. I got a little bit of that pink up here somewhere. Wait, stand that up. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Mistakes. I think it looks really nice. And thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you learned something from this video. Make sure to follow, subscribe. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Let me know what you want to see. If you want to learn more tutorials. And I really hope Brad Mondo watches this. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.